And no pun is out, you guys. So for today's video, we have Tony Matterhorn's wife, Bella. She's stating that it is so convenient that right after he received his citizenship, he upped and left their marriage. And this is all alleged, even though it's directly from her. Onto the video.
Backstage with this nigga laptop bag. Got this. All of a sudden, how convenient you got your citizenship. You should have walk. How much of your selector bridging them right now who need papers? You fucking ungrateful. How much of your selector friend them? You got your 10-year green card. You should have been walk. No, you no walk. You no walk. You no walk. No, you didn't walk. Your bold-faced choose to walk out for me and me pick me and not give a fuck. None of your friend them, none of your big man friend them, none of your coworker them, no link you and say, my youth, what the fix what go on your yard? No. No, you was bold-faced, chest out, that you walking out, because guess what? This is what you planned. When you got your citizenship, you done with me. Whether I'm up or not. It's deuces. No. Me a talk. Disrespect me to my family or him don't want me. Alright. I don't want you neither, nigga. But it's the respect. Eh? And the respect. This can't fix. No, your chest out. 1 month me a wallet. Your walkouts. Airbnb, you name it. Eh? How much people want me and tell me how the man out of my league? Me a top girl for them blood clot man there. Eh? No. You had to make sure your shit was good. You never consider me and my 4-year-old. You have a child was still in a pull-ups. Eh? You never hold it. You never try if you come fix it. I didn't even get a fucking apology. That nigga put his hands on me. No. You never hold it. That's why your mama, your dirty sister England, little love, that's why all of them can't come disrespect me because they been knew what you was about. I'ma hold it with them too. I know 1 and 2. Pressure bus pipe, man. My been a wall out. Baby mothers I get disrespect. You got child older than me. Almost, I'm lying. They almost reach my age. Your oldest is 25. I'm 31. What the fuck am I saying? Excuse me. You got child old enough to go through the USCIS process and get you your shit. Yeah, you got child old enough. The way I'm a fucking frost right now, me all a chat fuckery. Me been a wallet, but you cool. You're fucking cool. You know what I'm going through behind closed door. You know the dedication I put in with school. You know everything. You make this bitch a disrespect me and me a wallet. I ain't holding shit. Once you sit down, you're crazy. Sit down and make my child